Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Eclairs chocolate milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold milk, 2 generous scoops of your favorite chocolate ice cream, and 2 to 3 delicious chocolate Eclairs. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of rich cocoa powder to enhance that chocolatey goodness. Having everything ready makes the process super easy and enjoyable, so let's get started on this sweet treat. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's create the creamy base for our milkshake. Carefully pour the 1 cup of cold milk into your blender. Next, add the 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream and the 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Secure the lid and blend on a medium speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. We want a perfectly smooth consistency, so make sure there are no lumps remaining before moving to the next exciting step. This is where our milkshake gets its unique Eclair twist. Take your 2 to 3 chocolate Eclairs and gently break them into smaller, bite-sized pieces. These pieces will add wonderful texture and flavor. Carefully add these Eclair chunks into the blender with your already smooth milkshake base. Now, instead of continuous blending, pulse the blender just a few times. We want to incorporate the Eclairs, but still have some delightful small pieces for a fantastic mouthfeel. Congratulations! Your incredible Eclairs chocolate milkshake is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy, and chunky milkshake into a tall, chilled glass. To make it extra special, add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top. You can also sprinkle some chocolate shavings, or even place a small, whole Eclair on the rim for a truly decadent presentation. Sip and savor this unique and delightful treat you've just created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.